Hi everyone, how are you? Today I wanted to talk about one video that I saw like a few days ago. And the video was from Alin Vana. He's an expert in AI. He's one person from HP, and he was telling us the 5 predictions about AI for 2025. So I wanted to take that, let's say, that video and that prediction, and just try to peel and construct more conversations around that prediction from Alin. So in comments, you are going to see the link from the original video, and then I'm going to build a little bit more. So let's go for the prediction number 1. For this prediction, I wanted to talk about 3 points. The first one is that I firmly believe that the AI adoption is still to come. If we are still talking with the customers, with the SMB, with entrepreneurs, we are going to notice that they still need a lot of information, and they have a lot of space to adopt AI. They started to use, now they realize the value of that, but they have a space to start to really implement and to be more productive with AI. So for me, the first point in that prediction is that the adoption of AI is still to come. The second important thing that we need to talk is about the ISVs. The ISV is a key element in all the AI adoption, and I think it's really great to see all the AI in the cloud, but we are going to start to see more development in the tools that we can use in our personal computing. So this one is another element in that point. And the third point with ISVs, with the elements of AI, is we need to talk a little bit more about why to use the next generation AI PCs. Why it's so important to have the computers created for AI. And the 3 main or basics answer is about privacy. That is super important to keep in confidential mode all the information that we have. So that's the first point. The second one is about security. More and more important security is going to be in this IT world. And finally, it could be faster and run in a faster and quicker way all the applications. For this second prediction, the first part I'm not totally agree about the disappointment about AI. I think last year we were surprised about AI. We started to use and to be engaged with AI for the first time, and we started to be surprised about all the tools that we can have and we can access through AI. Now, an important thing is that now we can see how relevant is AI. Majority of the people really believe that AI will support the productivity and could help them to perform in a better way their job. And if we go, for example, to the work relationship index, we can see that the people that is using AI at the moment, they have 11 points better index in terms of the relationship with work. So this one is definitely a very good element. Yeah, that prediction is really great, and I think it's desirable to go to the prompt, to the real collaboration with AI. Now, in that case, I think we need to keep studying and understanding this prompt engineering, to know about the language that the AI is using in order to take advantage and to have a better interaction. So I think we need to continue learning about the prompt engineering. Is super important, This one is a relationship between the human and the machine. As in every single relationship, we need to know how to improve our communication. An important thing for me is we need to spend more time making the question about what we wanted to do, why we wanted to do it, the way that we wanted to show that information, and we need to spend time crafting really the things that we wanted to deploy or develop with AI. That is going to be really important. And the third point to have a real collaboration is AI for me is going to give you one work, one result. But in the end of the day, we need to polish and we need to give this essence that we have every single person. So we need to combine, we need to have a good communication, we need to use that tool, but in the end of the day, we need to polish in order to give something that is more human and is more related with you. The fourth prediction, I think this one is the easiest one, because when we are talking about ROI and when we see our customers started to use AI, it's quite clear that all the work is going to be more productive, we can save more time, and we can be more competitive, we can create new services and new products. I think we have a clear positive ROI when the people and the organizations are using AI. This one is not down. Yeah, in this one, I think it's quite obvious from the why to the which. Yes, I'm agree. I hope that we are never going to lose the why, and we are going to make a lot of questions and deeper why. So this 7 level of whys is going to be really important every time that we are going to adopt technology, or if we are going to create any activity, any process, or any service. The why, I think, is going to be fundamental and needs to keep there. But I'm totally agree with Alin that we need to jump about the which and started to select which AI is going to be the correct one that we need to use in our PCs. And here, this one is kind of responsibility for us, the people in the IT industry, how we are going to create this catalog or this recommendation about AI experiences in order to give support to our customers to select the correct and the most powerful AI that they can use depending about the different use that they need to have. In the past, we used to have very powerful tools, but we used to have like 4 of them. Now with AI, we are going to see that the tools that we are going to use in the office and in the workspace are starting to multiply and multiply. And yes, we need to start to select which one or the correct AI for us, the correct tool, the correct portfolio, and the way that we could be more productive. And yes, of course, this one is our responsibility to improve and to support with the AI experience to our customers. I hope you enjoy these 5 predictions. As I said, are not mine, but I wanted to build more conversations, more online conversations. So please make some comments, and if you think that we can have some collaboration or we can create something interesting around AI, around maybe diversity or some other topic that we have in the corporation, please let me know and let's keep having conversation. I think it's super important, and see you next time.